Hello everyone, I'm Spencer. I'm here to teach you English. I'm back with more news expressions and a hot news issue that goes along with these expressions. Most of you have probably heard something about. So the three expressions today are to plunge, to dump something, and to spark something, or to be sparked by something. I hope you enjoyed the video. Watch to the end and remember to like and subscribe to see more videos like this. Let's begin! The first word is to plunge. To plunge. This has two meanings, but we're focusing on the first meaning mostly. So the first meaning is to decrease suddenly. So some synonyms for this are to plummet, to drop, to fall, to nosedive. There are a lot of good words here. It means to suddenly decrease. The second meaning I will briefly tell you, because it's good to know the second meaning, is to jump into something, or to drop into something. So you'll hear the expression to take the plunge. So for instance, take the plunge, get married. Take the plunge, get married. So here, take the plunge means to just do it. Just get married. Even if you're scared or you're worried, do it. And maybe you'll realize there are some good parts about it. Maybe you'll like it. So take the plunge means do that scary thing. But let's go back to the first meaning. That's the meaning we're focusing on today. And let's see two example sentences. Share prices in the company plunged. Share prices in the company plunged. Our profit has plunged this quarter. Our profit has plunged this quarter. The second word is to dump something. To dump something. This means to throw it away, to get rid of it. So it means you don't want it anymore for some reason. It's used a lot with the words trash or garbage. So to dump your trash would mean to throw it away. So you might say, I'm going to go dump the garbage in the dumpster. This means you're going to take the garbage or the trash outside and throw it away. So it means you're getting rid of something that is no longer wanted. Let's see two example sentences. Traders are quickly dumping their shares. Traders are quickly dumping their shares. Don't dump your problems on others. Don't dump your problems on others. This second sentence is slightly different. You're not dumping a physical thing, right? It's more of an emotional thing, your problems. So if you dump your problems or your worries on somebody, it means that you're pushing them onto that person. You're kind of taking them out of you, getting rid of them, and giving them to somebody else. So it's kind of a negative thing, right? You're going to make that person feel stressed out. And lastly, to spark something. Or to be sparked by something, or to be sparked by somebody. So to spark something means to start it. To be sparked by something or somebody means you were started by that thing or by that person. So it can be because of words or actions that a spark happens and something begins. Used in a positive way, you could say, you spark my creativity. You spark my creativity. This means that you make me become more creative. So this is positive. Let's see two example sentences you can see in the news. A trading mania was sparked by small investors. A trading mania was sparked by small investors. The new rules are sparking changes across the market. The new rules are sparking changes across the market. Now let's take a look at a news article and see how these words are really used. So this is kind of a hot topic these days. GameStop Stock. GameStop is a US company that sells video games. They're kind of an older company. Mostly they sold video games offline, but they sell them online now as well. And the GameStop shares, so the stock shares, plunge. This means the value of the shares dropped. They are dropping. They're dropping as traders dump stock. So the traders, the stock traders, are getting rid of the stock. They're selling it. They don't want to have it anymore, right? For various reasons. Maybe they think it will lose its value later, or maybe they think it's risky, right? So they're dumping the stock. They're getting rid of it. So this is a Reddit-inspired surge in stocks. You could say Reddit sparked here as well. Reddit is a website, and there was a forum on this website that encouraged, sparked people to buy GameStop stock. So there was a surge, which means many people bought the stock, so the value increased a lot. The struggling video game stores, so that means they weren't really making money before. And AMC, this is another stock movie theater, dive. So dive is the same as plummet or plunge, so it's drop. So they're diving as hedge funds close positions. So the surge is diving. It went up and then it went down because hedge funds are closing their positions, which means they're dumping their stock. They're selling it. So the shares in GameStop, the stocks, plunged by 65%. It decreased by 65%, which is a lot, in early trading on Wall Street. So in the early morning when you can start trading. As the trading mania sparked by small investors. So the mania, the craze, the trend. So everyone started trading. It made people go crazy. Mania. It was sparked by small investors. So the small investors created this mania. Mania that sent its stock surging, right? The price increased and cost hedge fund billions of dollars. So to cost somebody something means they lost money. Hedge funds lost billions of dollars. This has lost momentum, right? So according to this article, this isn't going to go on for much longer, but you might disagree. There are a lot of people who do disagree, but you can see the vocabulary used in this article like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this was helpful. Please remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.